choose to choose you. Choose to. I choose you. Can I get a little second to tell? I really wanna love you well. I really wanna treat you right. Feeling vibration on this flight, yeah. I know that I do covet that comfort. Straight shot through the heart of this lover. And you tell me that it's not okay. I'll be knowing that I got to. I'm gonna choose to love you. Even when the feelings change, I'm gonna choose to love you.
Andrea, 17 years ago, we started dating, and you fastly became my best friend. You've been a reliable and caring partner who has always pushed me to improve and become the man I am today.
One of the most fascinating things about Andrea is that she thinks before she speaks. She's always been very caring towards her friends and towards animals.
There are so many reasons I love you. The first thing that comes to mind is your calming energy, assuming you aren't teasing me. Even our pets love you more than they love me. Because you're so stable and comforting. When I get overwhelmed, you give me a hug and a kiss and help to calm me down.
"17 years ago, they started their life's journey together. During the ensuing years, they learned to love deeply and unconditionally, and they discovered a reassuring strength in one another's arms. So they stand before you, ready to begin a new and wonderful future together and lean on one another." Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and of two people who are in it forever. The fact that all of you have come from far and wide to be here today is a testament to the amazing amount of love and support that they have.
Sorry, Dan, no refund. All joking aside, I would like to propose a toast to the newlyweds. Hear, hear.
I just want to say welcome to this crazy family. On our side, we love you to the max.
Andrea, I promise to be your bridge over the troubling waters of life. I promise to encourage and inspire you to be present and to make an effort every day. We are capable of even greater things and will grow even stronger both as lovers and as people.
Dan, I promise that from today, you will never face this world alone. I promise to grow with you and to learn from you. I promise to love and support the man you are today, the husband you'll be tomorrow, and the person you hope to become.
By the province of Ontario, I now pronounce you husband and wife And you may now seal your vows with a kiss.